Today, we're making this cute little crochet heart. For this project, you'll need some yarn, a pair of scissors, and a 4mm crochet hook. That's all we need, so let's get started. First, we're going to make a magic ring. Take your yarn and wrap it around 2 fingers to make a loop. Cross the working yarn over the tail end and insert your hook underneath the first strand. Grab the working yarn with your hook and pull it through the loop. Now, make a chain 1 to secure your magic ring. Try not to pull the ring too tight yet. We're going to work all of our stitches into this ring, and we'll close it at the end. Now let's start making our heart. First, make chain 3. Now we're going to make 3 treble crochets into the magic ring. For a treble crochet, start by wrapping your yarn around your hook twice. Insert your hook into the center of the magic ring and pull up a loop. Over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. And one more time, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that's 1 treble crochet. Let's make 2 more treble crochets into the same magic ring. Remember, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, and then work through 2 loops at a time. And now we have our 3 treble crochets. Next, we're going to make 3 double crochets. Insert your hook into the magic ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. Now, make 2 more double crochets into the same ring. Once you have 3 double crochets, we're going to make chain 1. Now, we're going to make another 3 double crochets into the same magic ring. Use the same method as before. Yarn over once, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops twice. Repeat that until you have 3 double crochets. And now we're moving on to the other side of our heart. Next, make 3 treble crochets into the magic ring. Remember to yarn over twice before inserting your hook into the ring. Pull up a loop, then work through 2 loops at a time until you have completed the treble crochet. Repeat this 2 more times. You should now be able to see the heart shape forming. We're almost finished. Now, make chain 3. And finally, we're going to close the heart with a slip stitch. Now, gently pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Take your time with this part and adjust the stitches with your fingers until your heart has a nice shape. And look at that, we have a cute little crochet heart. To finish it, cut the yarn, leaving a small tail. Pull the yarn through the last loop and gently tighten it to secure your work. You can use a yarn needle to weave the loose ends into the back of the heart. And that's it. Your crochet heart is finished. I love how simple and cute these little hearts are, and you can make them in so many different colors. If you enjoyed this tutorial, thanks for crocheting with me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.